Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super important tutorial, how to transfer Avalanche from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know security is key, and moving your assets to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move to keep your Avalanche safe from online threats. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any slip-ups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with Avalanche in it, your Ledger Nano X device unlocked and connected to your computer, and the Ledger Live app installed. If you're missing any of these, pause here and get them ready. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in. Navigate to your Avalanche wallet. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the Avalanche app. Make sure it's installed via Ledger Live. Once it's running, connect your device to your computer and go to the Accounts section in Ledger Live to get your Avalanche receiving address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste that address into the To field. Enter the amount of Avalanche you want to send, and don't forget to check the network fees. Avalanche uses its own network, so select that option if it's available. Review everything one last time, then hit Confirm to send the transaction. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger Nano X in Ledger Live to confirm the Avalanche has arrived. A quick tip. Always verify the address on your Ledger screen before confirming. Never trust what's on your computer screen alone. Also, be aware of any gas fees involved in the transfer. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Avalanche to your Ledger Nano X. This keeps your crypto safer and more secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.